do you fix a broken heart? That answer nobody knows. It left me here on my own.